It is very easy for modern folks. Few meat eaters will ever have to hunt their own food, let alone risk major discomfort or even death for it. Many animal species do not have this luxury. Food implies a tough battle with animals that can bite, sting, or poison them. It's unclear why they seek such difficult prey, but many have developed intricate and spectacular means of disarming their victims' defenses. Here are 5 fearless or insane predators who hunt dangerous and venomous creatures. Bee eaters. With their deadly sting and proclivity to swarm, bees appear to have no natural predators. Even without the agony of getting stung, they don't appear too appetizing. Not to humans, at any rate. Bees have many natural predators, yet they are so important to one bird species' diet that the birds are known as bee eaters. There are 22 different types of bee eaters, and they dwell in a variety of habitats, including rainforests and deserts. They are usually colorful and have long black beaks that they use to pull bees out of the air in mid-flight. They obviously do not want to be stung by the bee. To avoid this, they ingeniously stun the captured bee by hitting its head against a tree, then flipping it over and rubbing its tail up and down the branch until the stinger and venom sac are removed. The bee is swallowed whole now that it is safe to consume. Bee eaters have a crucial function in keeping insect populations in balance, which may sound harsh. Sharks. The deadly fish's proclivity to eat practically anything living is widely known, but one feast is certain to improve sharks' terrible reputations: pufferfish. Pufferfish are small, slow swimmers who are prey to predators. Nonetheless, they have one of nature's strongest defense mechanisms. They may inflate themselves into a spiky sphere of death several times their normal size by fast-consuming water and air. They are covered with sharp spines that protrude when they inflate and contain tetrodotoxin, one of nature's most lethal toxins. Tetrodotoxin levels in pufferfish are high enough to kill 30 adult people. Why would anyone want to eat something so lethal? Few predators do, or at least those who do survive. Sharks, on the other hand, are remarkably resistant to tetrodotoxin. They are, in fact, the only species known to be so. So pufferfish are just another form of meal on the shark's menu. Geckos. These little lizards can be seen climbing on walls or hiding in dark places all over the world in warm regions. They may frighten some individuals, but they are not easily classified as fearsome predators in most people's thoughts. Their diet consists primarily of flies and other small insects. However, in Australia, they occasionally consume funnel-web spiders. Funnel-web spiders are the most dangerous spiders. Delta-hexatoxin abounds in mature male funnel webs. This neurotoxic causes nerves to fire continually, resulting in spasms, blood pressure decreases, organ failure, and death. It is deadly to humans. This protects the male funnel webs from predators who may unintentionally walk into one's path while hunting for a mate. Surprisingly, funnel webs are preyed upon by a wide range of predators in the wild, including reptiles such as geckos, marsupials such as dunnerts, rats, and certain birds. A study on Sydney funnel web spiders was cut short in 2020 when one of the participants was swallowed by a gecko while having a tracking device on its back. Orangutans. These amusing red-haired primates have a dark side. While an orangutan's typical diet includes fruit, leaves, bark, and insects, scientists discovered a troubling new item on the menu in 2012. The slow loris is a unique primate that is much smaller than an orangutan and has huge eyes and a fuzzy body. While they are cute to humans, they appear to some Sumatran and Bornean orangutans to be an excellent protein-packed food. The only issue is that slow lorises are poisonous. They are, in fact, the only venomous mammals, and their bites are thought to rot flesh. It's unclear why orangutans would prefer to consume these deceptively cute critters. Meat, according to some scientists, is the fallback food for orangutans when the basics of their diet become rare. However, when orangutans have been observed consuming slow lorises, a paucity of plant foods has not always been noted. It's possible that scientists simply don't have much proof of it happening because they haven't looked for it specifically. Concerning the poison, the orangutan's superior size appears to allow them to easily control the small critters and avoid being bitten. Chacma baboons. Baboons, like orangutans, eat primarily plants. Southern African Chacma baboons eat mostly fruit, bulbs, and roots, but they also enjoy some animal items such as bird eggs, spiders, centipedes, and lizards. Scorpions are another favorite food of baboons. These scurrying, stinging arachnids are a tempting dinner for the primates, who hover their palms over the scorpions until the opportunity to stun them occurs. The baboons then rub the scorpion around the ground with their palm before plucking out the stinger and tossing it far away. The scorpion is then ready to be eaten. In 1919, one witness observed baboons munching scorpions with every appearance of satisfaction. Given that they toss away the stinger, it appears that baboons are not harmed if stung. However, the same author noted that while plundering bee nests, baboons do not appear to feel as much pain from stings as humans do, even though they strive not to be stung.